Next, we are going to look into adiabatic saturation and also wet bulb temperatures. Adiabatic saturation temperature is the temperature at which the air is brought to saturated condition adiabatically by evaporating the water into the flowing air and is obtained from conducting an experiment called the adiabatic saturation process. One of the examples for the adiabatic saturation process is by using this system. In this system, it consists of a long insulated channel that contains a pool of water. A steady stream of unsaturated air is passed through this channel. As the air flows over the water, some of the water evaporates and mixes with the airstream. The moisture content of the air increases during this process as its temperature decreases. If the channel is long enough, the airstream exits the channel as saturated air, having relative humidity equal to 100% at a temperature of T2, which is this temperature is called adiabatic saturation temperature. In general, adiabatic saturation temperature is between the inlet temperature and the dew point temperature. Inlet temperature in this example is actually referring to the dry bulb temperature, and the adiabatic saturation temperature is actually referring to the wet bulb temperature. However, to get the wet bulb temperatures by using adiabatic saturation process is not practical. Therefore, simpler experiment is conducted in order for us to obtain the values for wet bulb temperature, for example, by using a sling psychrometer, where for the wet bulb thermometer, it will be attached with a wet wick or wet cotton. By using adiabatic saturation process, we can determine the specific humidity and also the relative humidity as follows. The impracticalities of using adiabatic saturation process is because it requires an infinitely long channel or a spray mechanism to achieve saturation conditions at the exit. Although by using adiabatic saturation process, we can determine the relative humidity of air and also the specific humidity of air. But a more practical approach is to use a thermometer whose bulb is covered with a cotton wick saturated with water, which is similar to the sling psychrometer. The temperature measured by using this approach is called the wet bulb temperature.